It's time for our first Mandarin secret. Every once in a while, I will share with you some secret about the Mandarin language that will make the learning even more fun. The hint of this secret is Legos. Why Legos? Well, Lego blocks come in all shapes and sizes and colors, yet they're not very interesting when there's only one piece. But when we put them together, we can build some pretty amazing things. The same is true for the Chinese language. Each Chinese character is a different block. Sometimes you can use them by themselves, but oftentimes it's much more interesting when you combine them to build more words. Speaking of singing, we're ready for our second Mandarin secret. The hint for this secret is musical notes. As it turns out, speaking Mandarin is a lot like singing because Chinese words have tones, just like musical notes. Sometimes a word stays flat, like ma. Sometimes they go up, like ma. Sometimes they go down and then up, like ma. And other times they fall down, like ma. So every time you and I speak Mandarin, we're making music. The hint of this secret is a box. Chinese characters are meant to fit neatly inside a square box. This is because the Chinese people believe in balance and harmony. Having the characters fit inside a box also makes them much easier to read. Now you can ask your friends how old they are and tell them how old you are. You just have to pick the right number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But wait, that might work for you, but I need a number much bigger than 10. Fortunately, there is a Mandarin secret to help me out with bigger numbers. The hint for this secret is math. To make bigger numbers in Chinese, all we need is some basic math. You see, here I have 10 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But wait, I've got more. What's 10 plus 1? 11. Since 11 is 1 more than 10, in Chinese, we just put 10 and 1 together to make 11. 11. We do the same for 12, since it's 10 plus 2. 12. We follow the same pattern for 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. What's the number that comes after 19? 20. If we put my hands and my toes together, we get 20. In other words, 20 is just 2 sets of tens. So in Chinese, we call 20 20. For 30, which is 3 sets of tens, we call it 30. We call 40, which is 4 sets of tens, 40. Just like that, you have mastered Chinese numbers. Let's try counting from 1 to 20 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20。你真棒！Now we can meet people who are older than 10 years old.